Hi, my name is Yogita and I'm here with some Hindu vocabulary. Lament, which is a verb meaning vilap karna or mourn. Synonym, sorrow, wail. Antonym, celebrate. Example, he was lamenting the death of his infant daughter. Some idioms and phrases. A piece of cake, which is an idiom, meaning easy to understand or perform. Birds of same feather, which means people having similar characters, backgrounds, interests, or beliefs. At one's wits' end, which means in a state where one does not know what to do. Cut through, which means to get quickly and directly through or past. Chip in, which means to help. Do away with, put an end to, or remove. High tide, which means highest point. Adhere to follow a particular set of beliefs or a fixed way of doing something. Set about, start doing something or attack. Set apart, distinguish or be better than or different from others. Set aside, overturn a court verdict or decision. Set back, cost or delay. Set forth, state or outline an opinion or start a journey. Set in, change season noticeably. Set off or explode a bomb or ring an alarm. Set off, start a journey or counterbalance a debt. Set off, provide a visual contrast that looks good or cause, trigger events. Set on, attack. Set out, display, show or start a journey or arrange or organize. Set to, work hard or enthusiastically. An axe to grind, which means to have a dispute with someone. Apple of my eye, someone who is cherished above all others. As high as a kite, anything that is high up in the sky. That's all for today. I'll be back with more vocabulary. Thank you.